greetings, flowers, cards, and long speeches. But let's be honest, that's not what we remember the most. What stays with us are the quirks, the little things our teachers do make them legends in our eyes.
There's the teacher who guards the red pen like it's made up of gold, or one who says just 5 minutes more and somehow keeps up another half an hour. Some teachers have the most dramatic, short-throwing accuracy, while others drop iconic one-liner that live forever in class group chat. And who does not have the surprises, Bollywood reference that makes
energies welcome me, and the dignitary who is sitting on the dais, Sri Aslam Garu. He is a correspondent of Apple High School and also Seed at the Rate Society founder and also State Trustma Be Smart member. He is serving so many activities to the society. We welcoming you, sir. Thank you very much for joining us. So first of all, I really impressed with your activities and the way you welcomed me. Before I'm going to say something, I'm a teacher. I'm not a chairman of the school. Now I'm traveling as a chairman, but I have started my journey like a teacher. I taught MBA, MCA, BTech, and then I have started the school. So now we have more than 100 employees in our, 100 teachers in our school in 2 branches. So teacher only can make the society and also make the nation. Every country will build by the teachers. So I'm really happy to see all students here. In future, our school can give more pillars to the society, like engineers, doctors, scientists, politicians, whatnot. So I wish you all the best, and also I wish you all the best to the teachers, my colleague teachers. Happy Teachers Day, and in future we'll celebrate separately Teachers Day along with other school teachers also. I'll club the teachers, other club teachers, and we'll travel and we'll celebrate in future. Okay, thank you very much. So come here. How much time it will take? 1 hour. Anything I need to give? So can I give the gift to teachers? Actually, I'm traveling somewhere. Can I give the gift to the teachers? And then you can continue the program. Okay. So it's my privilege to celebrate all our.
And Aslam sir, the correspondent of Apple High School, to unveil the memory wall and handprints.
Hold from other. Just help.
Behind this floor lies a heartful surprise for all of us. And now, have a look at it.
From the, I learned how the discipline and how the easy to study with the easy tricks. Thank you.
When I'm explaining math, sometimes I'm reading also, right? You don't have any problem? No, why? You want to understand?
I can understand.
Very good. The next one.
From my teachers, I have learned that true success lies not only in achieving, but also in becoming a good human being.
Super. You want to become a great human being. Great. Next. Without seeing this, what message you want to Sure. I learned discipline, dedication, and moral values from my school. Great. And Rohit A. I learned to progress in every work to do. Great. So many messages. So, come and read out. First read the name and then.
Jashvita. School is often seen as a place where we learn theoretical concepts and acquire knowledge about different subjects.
Better you don't think, whatever the message you give, these are the 10th class, right? The students come forward and read out the message by yourself. That is good actually. Come on, all the 10th class students. This is the message to the school students, right? What will you say?
Hey, what if it's please say, no water sir.
And Swapna meet every teacher, and especially Ramana. She is very funny and kind.
I'm also teaching. Okay, next. Boys.
So I totally say that my first favorite teacher is Anuradha ma'am. But when I joined tuitions, the place got by Chairman Sir, our Bhishma Reddy sir.
Okay, next. Come everyone, fast. New student.
My favorite teachers is all of the teachers because all tells a new motivation in my life and a new emotion phase in my life. And seriously, yes.
We know how to survive in the world. Good, appreciate it. Come next. Come forward.
All are my favorite teachers and they always motivate me in many ways. And also sir is teaching me in a better manner that I can understand the concepts and ideas.
Good. Anybody? Everybody how to say what?
Every teacher is my
Present here, it's a privilege to stand and speak about teachers, as there is a saying that parents give us birth, but teachers give us life. I have learned that a goal without plan is just a dream. Since I am learning from nursery, I proudly say that I am a student of GKR Global Erudite School. Thank you. I like all the teachers because they guide the students with patience. Without patience, they can't guide all the teachers. Thank you, the teachers, for guiding with patience.
Great. Next. How is it?
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया। आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी ही बदौलत, आपकी समर्पण को सलाम। शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया।
ఇక్కడ నుంచి వీడియో రికార్డ్ చాలా ప్లేసెస్ కానీ ప్లేసెస్ తీస్తూ ఇలా వస్తూ వీడియో కూడా క్యాప్చర్
करके जाते हैं जिंदगी भर के। టీచర్స్ అందరూ ప్లేస్ కవర్ చేస్తున్నారు.
Gratitude in our hearts, we sincerely thank our primary teachers for their efforts, unwavering support and inspiration.
Today, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude towards the teachers. I am very thankful for the guidance and support that every teacher has given to the student. One special memory that stands out is my Swapna ma'am helped me to overcome my struggles in math. I am very thankful for her, and I am very thankful to the every teacher that we have learned many things from them.
पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को छीन के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
So what is the general story or the famous story? Hare and tortoise will keep a race. So the hare is very careless and it will sleep for some time. But through hard work, tortoise will go and it will win the race. So the moral is slow and steady wins the race, and hard work always beats the talent. Right? There is an extension. So when this race happened, the ego of rabbit was hurt. So it went near tortoise and told, again we will put a race. So tortoise agreed. They both put the race again. This time the rabbit was not careless. It went fast and it won the race. And what is the moral of this extension? Learn from your mistakes. Right? This time tortoise felt bad that it doesn't want to be a failure. Again it went to the rabbit. It said, no, I won't agree my failure. Let us put the race again, but we will change the route. So they changed the route. Again they continued the race. Rabbit, as usual, it went very fast and it stopped at one point where there is a lake. Tortoise slowly reached the lake. It crossed the lake and win the race. So what is the moral of this? Plan your strategy according to your strength. Right? Last, both tortoise and rabbit, both of them understood their strength, their weakness. So what they decided? They decided to collaborate with each other and they started the race. So when the race is happening on the land, the rabbit carried tortoise on its back till the lake. In the lake, the tortoise carried rabbit on its back and they both together they completed the race. So what is moral here? Collaborate, don't compete. Healthy competition is good, right? So as you are growing now, this is very, very foundation of your life which you will see the next, right? So all of you together, instead of competing and fighting with each other, you all collaborate, rise together, help each other. So all the success you all can share, right? So that is what I wanted to share with you. Thanks for the opportunity and it was a very, very nice batch. You cooperated with me very well, so that is the reason the program was success. And I am very, very thankful to you. Thank you so much to each and everyone. And in the same, not only study, not only engineering, not only doctor. I have seen today dance performance within one day.
Super excellent.
So yeah, excellent ma'am. Within one day they learn all the steps. So you can go for the choreography and really appreciate. I don't know. I have seen Akash and Shiv madam, they are talented in the karate stars, right? We are not asking you to do any doctor, engineer, police. That is your
multi-talented. Yes, they are excellent in every field. I saw so many talent in this
batch.
Students, they are going to perform in future like in competitions.
Students, please leave it.
Maybe she's very talent students.
These words are not for namesake. These are not for namesake. నన్ను పన్ని టీచర్ అన్నారు. ఎక్సలెంట్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అమ్మ, అందరికి టాలెంట్ ఉంది. ఎవరి టాలెంట్ వాళ్ళ సొంతం. ఓకేనా? నాకు టాలెంట్ లేదు అనుకోకండి, ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ఏదో ఒక టాలెంట్ ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి మీ చదువులో బాగా చదువుకొని మంచి పాస్ అయ్యి మంచి మార్క్స్ మన స్కూల్కి మంచి పేరు కావాలి. మీ పేరెంట్స్ కూడా కష్టపడినందుకు వాళ్ళకు కూడా మంచి పేరు తీసుకురావాలని నేను కోరుకుంటున్నాను. అల్ల చేసినప్పుడు అల్ల చేయాలి, ఇలా ప్రోగ్రామ్ చేసినప్పుడు ప్రోగ్రామ్ చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు స్టార్టింగ్ లో ఇంత ప్రపంచాన్ని చూపించారు. ఇంకా ఎండింగ్ లో ఇంకా మంచి మంచి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ చేసి కూడా అందరినీ టీచర్స్ అందరూ కూడా మంచి దోసుకోవాలని నేను కోరుకుంటున్నాను. ఓకేనా?